Good morning tanan, as Jack no. So, katong nagtanom ko og potatoes which is nag-sprout na sila. Yep, you can see all the potatoes is starting to sprouting. Yep, in here, all the way in here. Yep, they're all sprouting, guys. So, what is the akong gitanom? Saksi si Jack. Yep. And then let's go. Ato silang i-check. Tagusa. Oh, di ba? Wow, they're looking healthy. Also there. No. It's look healthy guys now. Oh. Yep. They all look healthy guys. So yay. Start ka na naman. Then apa oh, they're all healthy, sprouting. Ready na sprout diri na area which is wa pa, so mag-wait pa ta para ingani oh mapas day paggawas kanina. Oh, so tanawag uban nara so di pa jud ingon si Jang nga full. Okay, naapa jud uban nga wa pa na alright, abot diri naapa na ag diri wa pa diri na area, wa pa diha, so mag-wait ta diha hasta din diri. Okay, so maoro to. Bye tanan. Bye bye. Inday Vida here. Yep, it's Inday Vida. Bye.